users remain a primary target for phishing attacks. If users cannot recognize threats, attackers may still succeed even with security tools in place. In this video, we show how Acronis email security can turn real threats into security awareness learning. If we go back to the compact view and toggle to More Actions drop down and select Awareness Email tab, we can see that we are able to generate a threat awareness email that is based on a malicious email like this. It is AI generated directly from the selected email, as you can see in the example here. This can be used to enhance user phishing detection skills and general threat awareness by providing contextual learning. This helps to build the skills of your end users so that they can more easily recognize and then avoid similar threats in the future. To see how security experts can assist with investigations, watch the video Acronis Email Security Incident Response.